January 15th, 2026, we are seeing major shifts in global diplomacy and a significant update to US immigration policy. The Trump administration has officially paused immigrant visa processing for citizens from 75 different countries. This decision follows a review by the State Department regarding public assistance and welfare. The administration stated that the freeze will remain until they can ensure new arrivals will not rely on public benefits. While this doesn't affect tourists or short term work visas, it marks a major change for thousands of families waiting for permanent residency. In international news, there is a sign of relief in the Middle East. President Trump announced today that he has received word that planned executions in Iran have stopped. This news has immediately impacted the global economy. Oil prices have dropped by nearly $3 a barrel as fears of an immediate conflict fade. While the situation remains delicate, the focus today has shifted towards diplomacy rather than the military action. Now, here is my take on what connects these stories. We are seeing a clear shift towards a strategy of insulated stability. Think about it, the administration is closing the doors on immigration to, in their view, protect the welfare budget. At the same time, they are de escalating in the Middle East to protect the price of gas. For those of us planning for retirement or managing a fixed income, this is a mixed bag. We get immediate economic relief at the gas pump, for we are entering a period of isolation that could tighten the labor market and raise service costs later this year. It is a trade off, short term savings versus long term growth. Turning to science, a historic movement took place in the Pacific Ocean today. Four astronomers from the International Space Station have successfully splashed down after the first ever medical evacuation from orbit. NASA and its international partners confirmed the crew is safe and under medical care. The mission proves that our emergency response systems in space are working. From immigration changes to a drop in energy prices, it is a busy day for news. We will continue to follow these stories as they develop throughout the afternoon. If you found this summary helpful, please like this video and subscribe to